how to get the free version, free of it. Then you can actually rebrand it and resell and make money for yourself. So without much ado, first of all, let me go and show you that I'm actually selling those books already. This is my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. You can see this is my WhatsApp. So let me go, then I click to check for my catalog to go and see the product I'm selling online. As you can see, these are my products that I'm selling online. You can see this one, Amazon KDP. You can see this one, 8 keys, 2000 naira, confident prospecting, 2000 naira, then internet marketing Bible. So for today's training, I will be using this internet marketing Bible for an example. Okay, so what do? I click on it, it brings me to this big screen dashboard. So this is it, internet marketing Bible. Okay, powerful guide on high money making online businesses. Inside this book you will discover, then you click on to read more, you will discover the topic about internet marketing for beginners, an overview of internet marketing, and all the things. Go down to read it. Now if you want to buy it, you have to click on this link. Once you click on the link, it will take you to a place where I host my product. So this is a place where I host my product. On next video, I will be teaching you on how to put it like this on this platform, how to sell like this on this platform. Okay, now this is the internet marketing Bible books. I'm actually selling it for 2,800 naira. I'm selling it 2,800 naira. So this is how I hosted it. Right now, for you to buy it now, you can actually click on view details, but now I want to buy. You can click on buy now. You see it, put your full name, email address, and the phone number. Then once you do it, you click on pay. It will redirect you. For example, let me see if I can put my name. My name is Solomon. My name is Solomon. Okay, then my email address, I can actually put my email address, solodon@gmail.com. So through this medium, then I can actually add my phone number to 070 10 24 80 80. That's my phone number. Then I click on pay now. It will redirect me to where I'm going to make the payment. You seen it, it's asking me to pay 2,900 naira for me to get this ebook. Now I can put my card number and make payment. But if I don't want to, I can actually come here, because this one is card. You know, a lot of people used to be scared. Maybe if you put your card number, they will be using through that medium to steal your money, but it's not so. But just in case you are afraid of putting your card number, you can as well click on transfer. You can make a transfer. So this is Paystack account. Okay, you pay to this account. You seen it, you pay to it. You can pay to this thing. You can also come for what, bank transfer. This bank also, you can also choose which bank you want to transfer to. You know, it's still your choice. So without much ado, once you make the transfer, you will download it. Once you click pay, it will open and send you to this platform where you will get this book for your dashboard. They will automatically send it to that your email address that you have already provided, or if it's to that WhatsApp number, it will automatically